Most millionaires don't work harder. They think differently. Imagine waking up next month, asking one simple question every single day that rewires your brain for growth, razor-sharp focus, and rock-solid self-discipline. Do this for 30 days and your income and confidence will skyrocket. But here's the truth almost nobody tells you about thinking like a millionaire in the United States. You've heard all the pep talks. Stay positive. Hustle harder. Dream big. That's fluff masquerading as strategy. The real game changer isn't enchanting affirmations. It's in swapping your limiting questions for growth questions. Instead of asking, why does this always fail? You start asking, what small win can I secure today? That tiny shift flips your entire mindset, so you stop chasing distractions and start building momentum. Stick around, because I'm about to show you exactly how to make that switch a habit. Here's the kicker. Mindset alone won't cut it. You need a simple, repeatable framework that embeds these questions, focus, and wins into your daily life. That's why I'm sharing the 3 pillars of the 30-day millionaire mind trick. Number 1, question reframing. Number 2, focus blocks. Number 3, micro wins. Each pillar builds on the last, and by day 30, your brain is rewired for success. Let's dive in. First up is question reframing, and this isn't just clever wordplay, it's full-on cognitive reprogramming. Every single thought you have is carving out neural pathways. And if you keep asking yourself, why can't I? You're basically paving a highway for failure. To flip that mental switch, you catch one limiting question each morning and turn it into a growth-driving one. Instead of, why do I always run out of time? You ask, how can I design my schedule today to protect my most important work? The difference is huge. The second question primes your brain to hunt for solutions instead of excuses. For the first 3 days, just notice and write down one limiting question each morning. From day 4 to 7, reframe it and jot down 2 possible answers. By day 8, growth questions start popping into your head automatically. And when a negative thought creeps in, literally snap your fingers and say, switch. Because that small physical gesture trains your brain to notice and redirect the negativity. You're now asking powerful questions, but questions without action are empty, and that's where focus blocks come in. Motivation is fleeting. It peaks about 2 hours in and then crashes. So instead of relying on willpower, you schedule 2 uninterrupted 90-minute focus blocks each morning. Pick your highest impact task, something that generates revenue or builds a key skill. Block those 90 minutes on your calendar. Label it Do Not Disturb, Millionaire Work, and then kill every distraction. No email, no social media, no Slack pings, nothing. Why 90 minutes? Because deep work sessions between 60 and 120 minutes hit peak concentration. Shorter leaves you scattered, longer burns you out. Use a simple timer, and when it ends, take a 3-minute break. Stretch, grab water, reset your brain. After each block, write down one insight you uncovered or one problem you solved. This not only cements learning, but keeps your brain hungry for the next block. Now that you've reframed your questions and locked in your focus, it's time to reward your brain, and that's where micro wins come in. Big milestones are great, but they're too far apart. Your brain needs regular, instant feedback. After each focus block, record one win. Maybe you completed an outline, sent a proposal, or mastered a new technique. Put it in a journal or a digital note you call your wins log. Then celebrate. Slam your hand on the desk. Do a quick victory stretch. Say win out loud. Those small celebrations release dopamine, reinforcing the habit and making you crave the process, not just the result. Over 30 days, you'll have a pile of micro wins that builds massive confidence. And on the off days, lower the bar. Your win could be as simple as showing up at your desk and starting. Consistency is what counts. Hey there, I'm Mark, and I'm genuinely excited you're here investing in your growth. Before we dive deeper into today's strategy, I want to ask you a quick favor that takes just 2 seconds but makes a huge difference. If you're finding value in this content, hit that subscribe button and tap the like. It's completely free and helps us reach more people who need these game-changing strategies. Your support directly fuels our mission to help thousands transform their lives. Thanks for being part of this community. Now let's jump right back into the breakthrough strategies that are about to change everything for you. By now, you've got 3 weapons in your arsenal. The trick isn't just having them, it's wiring them together so they run your day on autopilot. Here's the move. Every morning, start by reading yesterday's growth question and scanning your micro-wins. That's your brain's reminder of who you're becoming. Then, catch one fresh limiting question for today and flip it into a growth driver. You're training your mind to hunt for opportunity before it hunts for excuses. Next, block your first 90-minute session and name the single highest impact task you'll attack. Go deep. No tabs, no pings. When you're done, log the win and celebrate like you just closed a deal, because you did, with yourself. Then, set your second block for skill work or high-level planning. Knock it out and bank another win. End the day by reviewing your progress and locking in what tomorrow's going to look like. Do this for 30 straight days. No exceptions. No life got busy outs. Guard it like a meeting with your future self, because that's exactly what it is. Step these steps daily and you stop being the person who starts and stalls, and you become the one who executes on command. Here's what surprises most people. By week 2, you'll notice automatic motivation spikes at the start of each block. That's your rewired brain saying, yes, let's go. But there's one more tweak that supercharges the system. If you really want to turbocharge these habits, you've got to hack your environment. Your brain is lazy. It loves shortcuts, and it links whatever's around you to whatever you normally do there. That means you can train it to trigger the right actions without even thinking about it. Start simple. Leave your workspace tidy the night before. When you sit down in the morning, the clear desk says, we're here to work. Not, we're here to dig through yesterday's chaos. Keep your journal and pen in the exact same spot every day. It becomes your cue to kick off question reframing without wasting mental energy hunting for supplies. And here's a fun one. Put a little trophy, a sticky note, or even a rock with win scribbled on it somewhere you can't miss. Every time you see it, you'll remember to log your micro wins. These cues seem small, but that's the point. They strip away friction. When you don't have to think about starting becomes effortless. And effortless is how you make this system not just a 30-day challenge, but the way you operate by default. All of this you've been learning. The question reframing, the focus blocks, the micro wins, and those sneaky little environmental cues. It's all packaged up inside the Mental Discipline for Success kit. No guesswork, no I'll figure it out later. You get guided templates, habit trackers, and video walkthroughs so you never miss a step, and so this system actually sticks. If you're ready to rewire your mind for that millionaire-level thinking, focus, and discipline, the kit is your blueprint. Inside, you'll find a 30-day roadmap with daily prompts that walk you through your questions, your focus blocks, and your wins. You'll get printable habit trackers you can slap on your wall and digital templates you can use anywhere. You'll have step-by-step videos showing you exactly how to set up your environment so it works for you, not against you. And I'm even throwing in bonus scripts you can use to snap yourself out of distractions anytime they hit. Here's the link in the description. Start the 30-day system today. Don't wait, because every day you delay is another day stuck in the exact same patterns you're trying to break. And here's the hard truth. Most people abandon new habits by week 2. The ones who win, they protect their new rituals like gold. Enrollment for the kit closes this Sunday at midnight, and I'm not opening the doors again until next quarter. If you want different results, you need different routines. Now! This isn't just a mind hack, it's a life redesign. Ask the right questions, own your focus blocks, celebrate those micro wins, and watch your brain transform into a success machine. Your future self is already thanking you. So click the link, start today, and let's make the next 30 days your breakthrough story. And if this resonated with you, drop a comment below telling me what your first micro win is going to be. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next training. And share this with someone who needs a 90-day reset as badly as you do.